Hi Palak, where are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you, beta?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Palak, will you please tell me something about your presentation? In which topic did? Yeah.
Ma'am, I take the topic GDP, meaning, significance, and current scenario.
Okay.
And I ex- I I explain in my presentation what is GDP and how it is fluctuating in this period and how it is very important to our in Indian economy.
Okay. Palak, how we can recover this GDP, this influctuating rate you are talking about? How we can recover it?
And from my point of view, self employment is very important to recover the GDP because हमें क्या जो needed goods होते हैं सर्विसेज होते हैं हमें बाहर से ना लेने पड़े और हम अपनी इंडिया में ही उसे इंडिया से ही रिकवर कर ले तो रिक्वायर कर ले तो वो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा. So that's it.
Okay, that's it.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
Palak.
Natasha ma'am. Now I'd like to ask Saroj ma'am to please continue with the question. What she wants to ask. Yes, Saroj ma'am.
Yes, sir. Hello, Palak.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. You are new to our school, huh? Welcome to the LPS family, first of all. And I would like just one question to ask. What is self-employment?
Self employment is there we we required goods from us sides, not from the other countries. That is, and self-employment, we stand up from our side कि हम अपने आप stand करके अपने आप ही चीजों को produce करें. That is self-employment.
Is this perfect, beta?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes, sir. This is all from my side.
Thank you, Palak. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Saroj ma'am. Thanks a lot. I was saying Palak, thank you. Now, yes, Nirushri ma'am, you can go for it.
Okay, Palak, in your CV, you have written that you are looking for a challenging career in a reputed sector, है ना? So basically, मतलब aims क्या है for your future?
Ma'am, I UPSC fight करके IAS and IPS.
अच्छा, so basically you consider it as a kind of challenging career.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do you think it is challenging?
Because, ma'am, there are many things to change in our society, and from my side, I change the thinking or thoughts of the society and change the system.
अच्छा, how will you bring the change?
Um, from it, in for the I explain it for the example. जैसे अभी इन द रेप केस की पुलिस ही अगर अच्छे से काम नहीं करेगी तो कैसे होएगा. तो आई विल चेंज दैट कि पुलिस का जो सिस्टम है वो अच्छा हो, वो सही से वर्क करे, वो सिर्फ किसी वो पब्लिक की तरफ से भी वर्क करे. इफ नॉट कि किसी ने कह दिया कि ये कर दो तो इट्स डन.
Okay, so basically you want to be the change that we want to see in the society. Okay, so
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
That is it from my side, Vineet sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, Palak, there are basically two questions I would like to ask. One related to what you have just said to Nirushri ma'am. Don't you think that we as a country is big enough that there are going to be some things which are going to happen in every corner of our country? There are things which are happening. So why we always tend to get so emotional on things rather than being practical? Like right now, the case of Uttar Pradesh is being highlighted by our media and all other places, right? The rape case which has happened. Though we are waiting for what's the final judgment and all, what is going to happen and all, the SIT has sat over there and all the things are happening. But do you know that more than around 2000 to 2500 cases are regularly happening in India in every month or so of the rape cases? Why is that we wait for a case, we highlight it, and then we forget? So do you really think that you will be able to bring a change just by becoming an IAS or IPS officer, or rather you should become a politician and bring a change out there?
So I like the IPS post and इंटरेस्ट है मुझे उसमें, और नॉट फॉर द रेप केस, इट की है ना फॉर द गर्ल की है ना, इट्स अ गुड थिंग कि हम आईपीएस बने. और in my life, in my personal experience, some people are come and say that कि girls is not working, कि कुछ नहीं कर सकती वो. So from it कि ये बहुत ही इसलिए फिर मैंने वो चूज किया. और हाइलाइटेड की बात जहाँ तक रही, तो इट्स नॉट कि हम हाइलाइटेड के बाद ही करें. आई एम फ्रॉम नॉट रिसेंटली, मैं आई एम नॉट एक्सप्लेन प्रॉपर्ली व्हाट आई एम.
कोई बात नहीं पलक, कोई बात नहीं. I just give you want to give a piece of advice. Don't take any comment of anyone personally. All right. Reason being, the more we take something personally, the more we are having that thing in our mind, and we are not focused to something what we want to do. Don't do things because what others are saying. Do things because you want to do it. Okay? किसी चीज को पर्सनली मत लो लाइफ में, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा जब हम पर्सनली लेते हैं तो हम उसके लिए करने लगते हैं, हम अपने आप को करते हैं. तो डू थिंग्स फॉर योरसेल्फ rather than for those people who are already negative. Okay? उनके लिए करना ही क्यों है, सोचना ही क्यों है. Okay, one more question and after that I'll end it. You said in your presentation that because of demonetization and GST, the economy is declining. How can you say that?
नॉट दिस कि सर है ना 2016 में जीडीपी हमारी फ्लक्चुएट ही थी थोड़ी सी डिमोनेटाइजेशन की वजह से. जो मैंने जो इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च की थी उसमें ऐसा था दैट की डिमोनेटाइजेशन और कुछ गुड सर्विसेज टैक्सेस की वजह से फ्लक्चुएट हुई थी. वो थोड़ी डिक्लाइनिंग की नहीं हुई थी, बट थोड़ी फ्लक्चुएट ऊपर नीचे हुई थी वो जीडीपी. दैट इज,
वो तो नॉर्मल है ना, जब हम कोई भी नई चीज करते हैं तो कोई फर्क तो आएगा, इफेक्ट आएगा. ठीक है, चलो, वेरी गुड, वेल डन. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच पलक, एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल द 3 टीचर्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव ऑन विद द नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट ऑफ आवर्स. थैंक यू.